what type of behavior gets you to become successful in networking and leveraging network to your advantage to raise money and actually achieve goals, investment goals?
I mean, that's a very, very broad question. You're not going to go anywhere without networking, and that's the most important thing in this business. The second rule of real estate is what, Adrian?
Always be raising money.
Correct. Exactly. Always be raising capital.
I learned that from you.
Thank you. Okay. So when you're networking with people, you go out there and you're just building relationships with them casually as if you're going to be friends with them. Because if you think about it, anyone who's investing in you or with you is signing an operating agreement that is sort of a prenup in a marriage, right? So that's like till death do you part or some sort of litigation. You got to make sure that you're networking with the right people and you're qualifying them to be into your network. Who you want to avoid are people who are selling you stuff. We call this the sell side, brokers. Oh, you're in real estate. Let me talk to you about it. You should be spending more time talking to investors or people who are higher leverage. Every time you talk, I feel like I have time that I'll never be able to get back again when somebody says on LinkedIn they want to discuss synergies and, we don't invest really in multifamily, but it's like I know exactly what they want. They want to pitch me their deals. And the problem is they're not taking any time to build the relation at all. They could be complimenting me on the post or something, but they're not. And they're too transactional. They're looking at it from a standpoint of how many hits can I get? You don't want to be talking to those people. You should, if you're starting out, you have no right looking for deals. You should be educating yourself on how to value and underwrite these, number one. So you're not relying on a sell side person because all sellers are liars, believe it or not, especially in real estate. Present company excluded, right, Adrian? I know you're selling some stuff, but present company excluded. And then the other thing too is that you want to make sure that you have a powerful base of people who can help you either through funding or not, and maybe that's introducing new things to them that they never thought of, such as like a self-directed IRA or, just being in touch with them and contact with them. It's a skill, but it's the most important skill today, Adrian, because interactivity is the new currency. And that's what people really want. And attention is the new oil. And if you can't get someone's attention, they're not going to invest in your deals.